What are some of the challenges you're trying to overcome, and how are you doing it with tech?
Just explain really quickly how our sales model works. So we train low-income, economically vulnerable women to be the sales reps. Okay, so that's someone who may have suffered abuse in our local community and needs a chance to get back on her feet again. That's who's being trained to be the sales rep. And then we train international women all over the world that we say are our most forgotten women. These are women that are been rescued from brothels or living in war zones and in refugee camps to actually make a product to sell. So that's the international side, the product maker, and then you have your local sales rep. And in essence, I like to say they're helping rise together, right? One's making the product that changes their own life, and then it also impacts someone locally, and then the local person selling to impact a life all the way across the globe. But where we were having a disconnect, or where we've been struggling, is that we know we have this great model of connecting local to global, but our sales reps were not able to really feel that connection directly with our international artisans, right? We don't always have the funds to travel, especially right now. Who knows when we're going to be able to travel again? We're a nonprofit, so your resources are always stretched. So even gathering of videos has been difficult. No one has time and resources for that. And so our local sales reps have been saying, we need to know more about the women we're supporting in India and Pakistan and Rwanda. And so with SalesHood now, I'm excited to report that our artisans are doing the story recorder feature. We're just starting out in a slum in India. We're going to hear from a woman there. We're going to hear from women in the middle of Afghanistan in remote areas, in refugee camps, and basically all over the globe. They're going to be able to report in and tell us how they're doing, tell us how we're impacting their lives, so that our local sales reps are feeling more connected with the women they're supporting. And we've never had an organized, efficient, easy way to make that happen. So we're really, really excited about that. And I'll say, even amidst this whole crisis, we need regular reports about how they're doing. We just heard from the women in a slum how there's no one's bringing food into the slum. No one wants to go there, so they're starving. So they're going to be able to give us daily, weekly updates by using the story recorder. So that's phenomenal for us. And also our local sales reps, they have goals and dreams, so they're working on things like, my goal is to find housing, and so people who purchase, our customers who purchase these products, when they purchase a product, they know that they're impacting a local life and they're impacting a global life. So now in SalesHood, we're actually going to have the local reps record their stories, and you're going to be able to follow their progress in reaching their goals and dreams. So we've never had that capability before. We never had an easy way to do that. So people that are supporting us, and they know, let's say I'm supporting a specific local woman in San Francisco who was, a victim of human trafficking, let's say, and now she has this is her goal. I can actually go into the SalesHood platform and see where she's at in that goal. So that's also just phenomenal to have happen because of this. So then there's we have people host events for us, and now we're creating a training huddle for the host of those events. And imagine now that they're going to learn about the local lives and the global lives in that huddle, which we never had the capability to do that before. So I think this, for us, it's all about sharing stories that are critical to communicating the impact that everyone is having on each other's lives. And now we have a way to do it. So we're excited.
Thank you so much for doing what you do in the world. And every time I hear your story or watch one of your videos, it's impactful. And we're grateful to be able to be helping.